Hello, welcome. So here's our hotel in Conrad, and here's the bathroom. We have a full bath here. They also give you a rubbery duck. I don't know if you can take this or not. Maybe you can. My dog would love this biscuit. Then they give you your amenities here. This is your blow dryer. The amenities here. Give you a razor. Hair comb and some cotton buds. And then here, I think it's a headband. And then some cotton. And what are these? Mouthwash. Dental kit, bath salt, body towel. I think this is to scrub your body, not the body towel. Just this. Then here, you have two separated enclosed space shower. You know, the brand is very similar to the Canadian Manila by Redo. And then over here on the other side is your toilet. And I hope this has a good ventilation. Here you get two robes. That's the bathroom. You got some closets here. Your standard vault, shoe bag, umbrella, slippers, two slippers. Over here is your closet. Ooh, hey, can you do a steamer? Is this a steamer? Okay, this is nice. The steamer is better than the iron. I don't know how to open it. Well,
it's brand new though.
Put it later, yeah. Because if this is a steamer, it's better. Yeah, more storage up there. Maybe if you're staying here longer, we're not gonna use that.
Might be a blanket in there. Get cold.
And then this is the bed. And then you have the bathtub overlooking the bed.
This is interesting. This bathtub area.
You do have this option though. Close it. How do you close it? I think you need to click it over here. I don't know where to click it.
The funny thing is, this is on the outside, so if whoever's in here still wants to peek in there, they can still open it.
Yeah, I don't know how to close it. We'll figure it out.
Let's put it manually.
And then over here, might be here.
How big is the bed? The bed's pretty large, isn't it?
This is only a queen, not a king.
Oh, it's not a king? Oh.
Yeah. And then here, you have your view.
This is the view of the ocean view.
Here they got you a lot of stuff to read. I'm not going to read that. And if you wanted to use the room service breakfast menu, just give you that's at your door.
Prices are pretty expensive though. It's like 6,000 yen, 5,000 for a set.
And then over here, let's take a look at the coffee maker. I have a tea maker here. I think these are free. Are these free?
They always look free.
They look free. They're Conrad water. It's cool. I have an espresso pods here. You get 10 different ones. You get a intense, you know, a sweet one, and then a decaffeinated one.
You can get 2 of each.
And over here, oh, just for remote control.
Storage.
Stuff that you need, you can buy if you want. I think the tea are free though. These ones are free.
There should be like a menu somewhere.
I don't want to open these because they might be motion sensor.
What's in there?
Activated.
Everybody's cute. Ooh.
Oh gosh.
Look at that. That's where the treasure's at.
No, but we don't like that.
Oh, here's the menu. Wow, minimum 800 yen for anything here.
For a Kit Kat is 800 yen. That's
Yeah.
expensive. $6 Kit Kat. No, thank you.
I'm pretty sure there's a Family Mart right outside.
Over here, fridge. Small and compact. Oh yeah, I mean if you get a sweet cravings here.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that is the room tour of the Conrad Hotel.
And all these shades here are button operated. Just one click or tap and the open and close for you.
Oh. I think it's in there.
Okay, so we found the buttons for the blinds. It's all button controlled. I think I got stuck.
Look, it's closing.
Full privacy.
Guys, thanks for checking out the room. You can now get out because I'm gonna go take my beauty rest. And bye. Bye.